Snow removal is a winter-critical task that directly impacts safety, accessibility, and time management for homeowners. The best snowblower blends power, maneuverability, and reliability with a form factor that fits the typical snow load and storage constraints of an average driveway. In this review, I tested 5 diverse models spanning corded electric.
List number 1. Westinghouse WS-Now 22 Corded Snowblower 22-inch. The W-Now 22 is Westinghouse's corded electric solution that targets medium-duty snow clearing with a 22-inch width and 13-inch intake depth. Its rubber-tipped steel auger emphasizes snow intake reliability with a relatively light footprint for a corded model. With dual LED headlights, a 25-foot theoretical throwing distance, and a 2-year warranty backed by nationwide service, it presents a balanced package for driveways, sidewalks, and porches. Notably, the unit weighs 34.6 pounds, which helps with maneuverability yet keeps enough mass to stay stable under typical snow loads. Deeper analysis. In real-world use, the W-Now 22 shines in predictable winter conditions where power supply is readily available. The 120-volt 15-amp motor can move up to 840 pounds per minute, which is adequate for light to moderate snowfall events, and the 22-inch width means fewer passes on longer driveways compared to smaller machines. The 180-degree adjustable chute and the soft grip handle improve directing snow precisely where needed. However, being corded.
List number 2. Ego Power Plus SNT2110 Peak Power 21-inch 56-volt. The Ego SNT2110 is a high-performance cordless snowblower leveraging peak power technology to combine 2 56-volt arc lithium batteries for enhanced torque and snow-throwing capability. With a 21-inch clearing width and a robust, weather-resistant build, it targets users who want cord-free convenience with strong performance, including LED headlights for visibility and a handle-mounted chute for quick adjustments. It ships without batteries or a charger, which is a notable cost consideration for buyers who don't already own Ego components, but it benefits from Ego's established ecosystem and long-lasting battery chemistry. Weight sits at 50.6 pounds, reflecting a durable, premium cordless design. Deeper analysis. Performance-wise, the SNT2110 relies on 2 56-volt packs to deliver significant torque and an estimated capability to handle up to 8 inches of snow on a typical 12-car driveway, according to its manufacturer guidance. The 21-inch width keeps it maneuverable in tighter spaces, and the brushless motor improves efficiency and longevity.
List number 3. Wen Snow Thrower. The Wen 5670 is a budget-friendly electric snowblower with a 15-amp motor and 20-inch wide intake, capable of throwing snow up to 29 feet. It's notable for offering dual LED headlights for visibility and a 180-degree adjustable chute, enabling straightforward snow direction. At 36.3 pounds, it maintains a manageable heft for most homeowners and benefits from a simple, no-fuss setup typical of classic electric blowers. The tool's 20-inch width and 10-inch depth are adequate for regular snowfalls around typical urban driveways and sidewalks, without requiring heavy-duty handling. Deeper analysis. In practice, the 15-amp motor can move up to 900 pounds of snow per minute, which is competitive for its class, but overall performance will strongly depend on snow characteristics, wet and heavy versus light powder, and snowfall density. The unit's compact dimensions make storage easier, though its 10-inch intake depth can stall with drifted accumulations or crusted snow. The 29-foot throwing distance is average for electric models, but because Wen strives to be compact and lightweight, there's a trade-off in mixed condition performance. Wen's LED is a strong contender for urban homeowners who prioritize convenience and storage space over heavy-duty capacity.
List number 4. The Westinghouse WS-Now 22 48-volt cordless snowblower 22-inch kit is another innovation in the cordless snowblower market. This model features a brushless 1600W motor and a 22-inch clearing width, which are similar to the Westinghouse WS-Now 22 corded model. The kit comes with 2 24-volt 8-amp-hour batteries and a fast charger, which offer about 15 minutes of runtime under moderate snow conditions, with a claimed 25-foot throwing distance.
The 46.5-inch by 22.6-inch by 37-inch form factor and 45.2-pound weight place it in a mid-weight, mid-power category. This model incorporates dual LED lights and a 180-degree adjustable chute with a 2-year warranty, similar to other Westinghouse models. And it is compatible with Snow Joe batteries, adding versatility for multi-brand setups. The lightweight design and the cordless convenience make this model especially suited for dicey snow conditions where a heavier machine might be less practical. The ability to switch batteries with other brands like Snow Joe adds significant value if you already own tools from those brands.
List number 5. Lifely 2X20V Cordless Snowblower. The Lifely Dual 20V cordless snowblower relies on two 20-volt batteries to deliver a compact yet capable solution for smaller properties. With a 20-inch clearing width and 12-inch depth, and a 20-foot throwing distance, it targets light-duty snow removal tasks on walkways and smaller driveways. The 4.0 AH battery capacity per pack and a collapsible, space-saving design emphasize portability and storage efficiency. A 180-degree adjustable chute and LED spotlight improve placement accuracy and visibility, while the brushless motor increases efficiency and life in cold conditions. The warranty structure includes a 5-year blower warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, signaling confidence in the platform. Deeper analysis. In practice, the Lifely dual battery approach enables cord-free operation with moderate runtime, suitable for small urban properties or light winter weather. The 20-foot throwing reach is modest for larger driveways, but the compact footprint makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and store. The build quality appears to prioritize portability and ease of use.